Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome back to 30 Days of Sketches Series 14. We're on to day 7 doing the community layout share, gallery share. And for day 7, the sketch was created by Tracy England. And this is a really neat sketch. I love how when you first look at it before you read anything, it kind of looks very like industrial and like I don't know, right? Like you can kind of see that being inspired alone, again, before you read any of the words that are on the sketch, like some of that paper that has like, I don't know, like Pink Fresh Studio, something like that, right? Kind of gives off that vibe. But then when you look in closer, you can see she has literally made this the easiest layout to create because she tells you you need 3 pieces of powder paper. You're going to layer them on top of each other. You're going to use 3 3x4 photos, and then you're going to add a title and 4 embellishments, and you're done. I really loved how she created this sketch and just made all the pieces work so well. And of course, we're going to share her layout first. So here's Tracy's layout on her own sketch. She has gone ahead and done the idea of placing the embellishments where she has it in her sketch with her title, her photos, and all of the layering. I love it. I love documenting mini golf. How fun is that? Just really cute. And she's just obviously done a great play on her own sketch. Okay, now we're going to try and share as many of these as possible. I am going to do, I'm not going to name people off by names. We're just going to share a bunch at the same time, showing how really, we really kind of followed it the way we saw it. And I love how we have different themes. So we've got some Christmas themes, some birthday themes, some going outside summer type themes, baby. We have changed our photos a little bit. Some of them are a little bit smaller or larger than what we saw in the sketch and took away a bit of the pattern paper. But the embellishments, having a large embellishment was really highly focused. I loved that. I saw in place of a photo like a 3x4 card, which is a great use of that if you're trying to figure out how to use those. And then I saw quite a few where we've stretched it out. Because the sketch is so well created, it has then given you the opportunity to do a 2-page layout. And I think I saw 4 or 5 where they have been stretched out to 2-pagers. And I love how you were able to just make this design work. I know there's a lot of us that would prefer to do 2-pagers because of whatever reason, that's your style, that's how many photos you want to document. And so I was really excited to see how many people really took that on. There was some that did more of a mixed media vibe going on, which I love to see. And a few that took the place where the embellishment would be and added a 4th photo. All sorts of different unique takes. And I love it. As mentioned earlier, there was a couple where instead of having 3 photos, it was just 2 larger photos. And Janet and Sarah in particular, I noticed that. I really love how they kind of flipped it just a little bit to make it work with the number of photos they wanted. And then you compare that to like Gloria, who had 6 photos. It's awesome. This was just a really like I said, well created sketch with a lot of participation. A few people rotated the sketch. I saw that a couple times. So it's, got a vertical design. So instead of the horizontal design, there's a vertical design. I saw that a couple times. And yes, all in all, I love it. There was so many to pick from, and I hope that if you haven't created this with this sketch already, you weren't quite sure what to do with it yourself, that seeing these layouts in particular will help inspire you and spark an idea to create your own. It definitely has for me, so I'm excited to start working on my own layout with this sketch from Tracy. If you would like to have a closer look at any of these layouts or the sketch on its own, please make sure you head on over to the Facebook group and you can go ahead and spend the time you want looking at whichever sketch and photo of that take of that sketch inspires you. All right, this is a quick one today. I'm a little short on time. I got some sick kids, but thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye, everyone.